Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making two trending slimes on the internet right now, butter slime and pearl slime. So we're going to start off with the butter slime, and first of all you need to add as much glue as you want slime. And this rule is very common among all slimes. So next you're going to add about 7 pumps of foaming soap. It can be scented and it can be not scented, whatever you want. So now that you've added all the ingredients to your base, make sure to mix it in really well. So once you've made sure that it's really well mixed together, you can add your borax. But for this slime, this butter slime, it's really important that you don't over-activate it. Your slime should be a little bit sticky before you add it to your cornstarch. The only thing I will recommend with the color for this slime is adding it before you've activated it, because it gets really hard to mix together. So now that you've added the butter slime to the cornstarch, mix it until it starts to get a little separated. Well, not separated, but sticky. Okay, so this is the finished product. I will say once the cornstarch is entirely absorbed, it is a little sticky, so I personally would add a little extra borax just so it's easier to handle. So for the sheer look with this slime, I used makeup pigment, which is basically just, like shiny eyeshadow. And this will make it look really pearly and shiny and pretty. For this mixture, I actually had to end up putting water in it because I was stupid enough to buy off-brand glue, so it got really chunky while I was mixing it. I recommend that you add more pigment after your color is in because it gives it more of the sheer look you want. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want notifications, just click the little bell. Yeah. Thanks, guys. See you next video.